Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel with another interesting question of mathematics. Today we will solve a very interesting question of mathematics, that is m to the power 9 plus m to the power 6 is equal to 36. So we start the equation. We can write m to the power 9 as m to the power 3 to the power 3. Okay, then plus m to the power 6 we can write as m to the power 3 to the power 2 is equal to 36. Okay, we can see m to the power 3 and m to the power 3 are common, so let m to the power 3 as t. Okay, so in place of m to the power 3 we can write t. So our equation will be turned as t cube plus t square is equal to 36. Next step we write as t cube plus t square minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay. Next we factorize the equation by remainder theorem. So let t equal to 0, then our equation will be 0 plus 0 minus 36 is not equal to 0. Next we apply t equal to 1, then our equation will be 1 plus 1 minus 36 not equal to 0. Then t equal to 2, so our equation turn 8 plus 4 minus 36 not equal to 0. Next we take t equal to 3, then our equation will be 27 plus 9 minus 36 equal to 0. Means t equal to 3, means t minus 3 will be one factor of the equation. So t minus 3 will be one factor. Okay. Next we write t cube plus t square minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay. Next step, t cube plus, in place of t square we can write minus 3t square plus 4t square. Okay, then minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, t cube minus 3t square taken as common, t square, then t minus 3, then plus 4t square minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, next step we write as t square t minus 3 plus 4t square, then we write 12t minus 12t, then plus 12t at same time, minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, next step we write t square t minus 3 t square, then t minus 3 plus 4t, then common t minus 3, then plus 12, or then t minus 3 is equal to 0. t minus 3, t minus 3, t minus 3 taken as common, t minus 3, and then we have t square plus 4t plus 12 is equal to 0. Move to next page. We have two equations, t minus 3 is equal to 0, then t square plus 4t minus 12 is equal to 0. Plus 12 is equal to 0. We can see t square plus 4t plus 12 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation in the form of a square plus bx plus c. Okay, so b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means roots are complex. Roots are complex, so this will be rejected. So this will be rejected. Okay, so we have t minus 3 is equal to 0, so t equal to 3. We have t equal to 3. We supposed earlier m cube is equal to t, so m cube equal to 3. So m equal to cube root 3. M equal to cube root 3. We found the value of m is equal to cube root 3. Let we check whether our answer is correct or not. Check. We have m to the power 9 plus m to the power 6 is equal to 36. Okay. Next we have m equal to cube root of 3. So we put in place of m cube root of 3 to the power n 9. Same m in place of m we write the value of m cube root of 3 power 6 is equal to 36. Next we write cube root of 3 as 3 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 9 plus 3 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 6 is equal to 36. Next we write as 3 to the power 1 by 3 into to the power 9 plus 3 to the power 1 by 3 into 6 is equal to 36. 9 cancel as 3 3 is 9 and 6 3 2 is 6. So we have 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 2 is equal to 36. 3 to the power 9 means we can write 27 plus 3 to the power 2 means 9 is equal to 36. 27 plus 9 36 is equal to 36 means LHS is equal to RHS means our answer we have 9 is m is equal to cube root of 3 is right. I hope you all are understanding well. If you have any queries, please comment down in comment section. Thank you. Keep watching my videos.